So this somewhat beat up bar is 10 millimeter, but it's the size that I want to use to try out a twist. I'll use my fullering tool with these slotted dies. I've got an upcoming project, maybe that I'll do for my next video, and so I just want to try out to see what sort of twist will work out for that. Occasionally cooling the dies is a good idea. I need to give a big shout out to Iron Dude 90 for becoming my latest Patreon supporter. I really do appreciate it. Thanks very much, my friend. So the middle of this piece was so cut and beat up, I'm not sure exactly how that'll translate when I twist it. Yeah, it just looks very ragged, so I think I'll square it up and see what that does to it. This is interesting. It looks like a braid with welded ends. For my next project, if I use a clean piece of steel, I think this will be pretty nice. I'll catch you guys next time.